July is the month for all things hot, and we've got something special planned just for you at Beauty and Beyond. On Friday, July 8th, 2011, we're cranking up the heat with Andrea Dawson and her Down Home Blues Band. They're gonna bring it like no one else can. You'll also enjoy great down-home cooking and cool, refreshing beverages. Seating is limited, so make your reservations now. Vendors will be on hand with great gift ideas. While you're there, take a tour of the spa. Get half off your spa package the night of the event. We're located at 1100 North Fielder Road, Suite 516, Arlington, Texas. Call 817-860-9400. That's 817-860-9400. See you there.